Welcome students in Subhas English School digital lecture. Today we will study about chapter first chemical reaction and chemical equation of class 10th balanced chemical equation. Now we will discuss about how to balance a chemical equation and why. For this we take some example. Example first. In this example copper react with oxygen to form a copper oxide. In this reaction, copper and oxygen are reactants, whereas copper oxide is a product. According to equation, we count the number of atoms of each element on both sides. Then we find number of atoms of oxygen are 2 on left hand side, whereas number of atom of oxygen is 1 on right hand side. Both side oxygen is not equal. In this condition our equation is called skeletal chemical reaction, which means unbalanced chemical reaction. We can balance a chemical reaction by hit and trial method. For this we take a table according to figure. In this we make 3 columns. First column for elements, second for reactant, and third for product. Now we count number of atoms of each element on left hand side. Here we see number of atom of copper is 1, so we put 1 in reactant column. Now we count oxygen. Atom of oxygen are 2, so we put 2 in reactant column. Similarly, we count the number of each element in a right hand side. Here we see number of atom of copper is 1, so we put 1 in product column. Number of atom of oxygen is also 1, we put 1 in product column. Now to balance this equation, we put reactant and products in bracket and choose the sufficient quotient to balance oxygen. Here we see number of atom of oxygen in reactant side are 2, so we put 2 before the bracket of product. In this condition number of copper and oxygen becomes 2. Now our final equation will be twice CO plus O2 arrow twice CO. In table we multiply product copper by 2, so number of atom becomes 2. Now we will take example 2. In this equation we will count the number of atoms of each element of reactants and write down in table in reactant column. Similarly, we will write number of atoms of each element of products in product column as we are looking in this table. Now we will put reactants and product in bracket. Why? Because we want to balance this equation. Observe a given table. In table, the number of atom of sodium and chlorine are 2 in reactant, but in product their number of atoms are 1, and number of atoms of sulfur, oxygen and barium are same in reactant and product column. Now we will multiply NaCl by 2 so that number of atoms of sodium and chlorine will be equal. In this way our equation will be balanced. At last we find this equation in form Na2SO4 plus BaCl2 arrow BaSO4 plus twice NaCl. Given in the question, why we do balance chemical equation? The reason is behind it. According to law of conservation of mass of any substance can neither be created nor be destroyed. So, number of atoms of each element of reactant and product in a chemical reaction should be equal on both sides. Thank you.